years. No, 9 years. I was to say 10. 9 years.
But they say it not finish.
Yeah, I have one next piece under the I'm gonna be putting a little red label wine. That's another one. The man them always not chipping for do nothing to make it easier. This I pretty girl, pretty baby. She's so shy. Hey YouTube family, happy Sunday afternoon. Remember, if you had watched my earlier video, breakfast video, you'd have see what I tell you. Say, I'm gonna do dinner. Starting late. I think it's almost 4:30 in the PM. But I had a little appointment which I didn't bargain for, and then we all had to rush out on the road, so it took a little time, so I'm kind of behind. But I'm gonna do some fried chicken. I've made up my mind. My chicken is all washed. Make a season. I'm doing right over here. Made some pumpkin rice, so that is why I just start. But I did cut my pumpkin before, and I did cut up my chicken, but I don't know why I never season it, so I forgot season it. I do some pumpkin rice, fried chicken, and a little raw veg. So basically that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'll have water, and then maybe one have orange juice. I'm not gonna be blending any juice because I have other stuff here attend to and all of that. So I'm gonna season my chicken. You know, I'm season my chicken already. So I am gonna be camera girl this afternoon now.
Hi guys.
So we are hungry family. We are really hungry because you know, so me and a lunch guy. Did you eat anything in between?
Between after breakfast? No, not really.
Yes, so I'm not gonna be rushing. I just had a cup of tea though. So yeah, I have a next cup of tea in the day. And look here. I feel a little revived because I get a little water and it's not flushy, but I still give thanks because it is so hard when you're a woman, whether you have a family, yes or no, and when you don't have running water in your kitchen, whether the worse now with the pandemic, even when the pandemic not there, it just throw me off. Family, you can't come in. It just throws you right off. You know, when you, because you let me tell you how I am. Look at me now. I'm gonna be seasoning up with 3 pegs of fresh garlic. My norm, right here, so. See my little grater here, see my garlic here. This is my norm. Even though I wash my dishes and I put my hot water upon it, this is just my norm. So when I can't get to do this, it makes me really miserable. So look here, comment and tell me. I mean, know all of my ladies them about tell me say it's the same thing. It makes you feel so down, so out, and for me, Lord, I feel miserable sometimes. I'm not lie. So I'm gonna be seasoning up my chicken, and my pumpkin is on the way cooking. So when you see me next again, I'm supposed to well on the way with this little dinner here. Not anything hard. Some nice crispy fried chicken, a crunchy fresh vegetable salad, and some pumpkin rice with a nice glass of water, or who wants to drink something else. Basically, it's not gonna be hit for me. I hope you're having a beautiful Sunday afternoon, and you will not see this for today, but you'll see it sometime, probably Monday. I think I'll try for Monday. You'll see what I have, and I hope you are doing a beautiful Sunday dinner as well, giving thanks for life and all of that. So I'll catch you in the next clip. So my pumpkin cook out to nothing, so that I got put in. I am so late, I don't even bother use no coconut milk. I just use a little noodle and some butter. I'm running right because I have other stuff to do. So I have my chicken seasoned up right here. I am now going to make this little vegetable. Our little Jamaican vegetable. Yeah. You know, so I feel we think this in all of the Jamaican ladies then. So I'm gonna go finish up this little vegetable, and by then my chicken should start frying and my rice in. I don't know say what. This is a good quick Sunday dinner. well on its way. Okay, catch you. Okay, now family, this little vegetable is all finished. We just have a dry in here, so I'm not putting any dressing on it. I just want it like this. Not all the while I like the dressing on it. I just want it to be crunchy and fresh and nice. I prefer it that way though, without the dressing. So that is why we always like running water in our kitchen. Because I just use my hands and I just, you know. So I just do it on the cutting board, clean cutting board. And I just use my hand and put it inside of my container. And this is what it looks like. We want something red, but we don't have nothing red. And all of that. Gotta get it covered and get it in the refrigerator. So I'll be moving on next to my fried chicken, my rice in. And this dinner seems like it's almost there. Okay, fam? Yeah, just like this. Okay, family, that cut the chicken them so humongous. But chicken they are fire where you see. That chicken that is really big. Kenisha, we love that chicken there big. Kenisha, no, I don't like the little chicken there, man. Rice there, so rice okay, I can turn it off though. Told you all this was a quick dinner. And I am so hungry. My hungry is a shame, family. I mean, I really want to put nothing in them because I want to enjoy the local food. Yeah. Because I know some love pumpkin rice. It's my favorite. Yeah. Yeah, rice ready. I want to know that some love my pumpkin rice. Gooey. Yep. I don't like my pumpkin rice. This is just my kind of pumpkin rice. Not pumpkin, and the pumpkin must cook and chill out. Yeah. I'm good. Right through and through. It's all a lot of pumpkin. Yeah. One more butter chicken. I will good to go. I'm gonna make a little gravy. I think never use some of the spicy barbecue sauce. For me, just let me take my life. Family, I am rolling on. Got you. Family, trying to make a little gravy here. So I use some of me spicy barbecue I did use on the burger here. So I'm kind of just saute out and I use some spicy garlic. Wow, that can't eat in dinner. So you see they have different color. You realize that? So you see what coming out of it? You see these are just herbs, you know, family. You see that? Alright. Let me turn down this and then make a little. This is so easy. Let me turn it down. Let me put a little water. I'm going to get some water. Hot water. I have to cook a paprika and I to bring up the color. Trying to get a little gravy in. I'm going to leave it for cook down for about 10 minutes. And then never have some gravy. But I know I want a little more water. Let me show you where this happening. Always remember to work on your pot angle. Second set of chicken. Second and last because I'm not frying anymore. And point. Dinner almost done. Everybody hungry now. So I'm going to put a little. I'm going to put a paprika. I might need a little salt. Paprika. And I might need a little salt from. I can't put no salt in this thing. I catch a little color. Want a little salt. I think I'm going to want a little more water. No salt not in this. So that's supposed to go. I don't know if I want any more. Oh, back. Little more water. Stir. Make it stay there and cook down. Yeah. A little more paprika. Bring up the color a little more. Fried chicken gravy. Yeah. It's chock full of flavor. Yeah, man. You see it up on point. Yeah, make it cook down. Make it cook down some more. And the low. Yeah, simmer down. So that's my good to go gravy. As it cook, I stir and all of that. When you see me next, I will be plating some of this fast because Sunday dinner. You saw how fast it was? It was really fast. You come over, girl?
Yeah.
Okay, now Pari, dinner is served. Eat with your eyes. Hmm? Yeah, I didn't put a lot of grease. I'm not put no whole heap of gravy because I don't know you eat. But I want gravy, when I can always come back, come and look for the evidence and we'll get more gravy. Pumpkin rice, raw veg, nice crunchy raw veg, crispy fried chicken. What more do you want with that gravy to die for? Hope you have enjoyed this little rush Sunday dinner with me. It was really fast. We are hungry. We are going on to eat now. You eat with your eyes. That is for you all if you eat leg and wing. This is leg and wing and all of that. Next time I'll dish for you something different. So this is where the box stops. I want to thank you for being a part of the Jamaican Cooking Journey family. Thanks for loving us across all our channels. Thanks for loving. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for support. Thanks for reaching out beyond YouTube. Thank you so much. Remember that we have got a little merch information on how to get on to me for no hanky panky will be in the description of this and all my other channel videos description. So I just want to say ciao for now. Your post notifications will appear right here 1 2 3 right here. Make sure you look for it. Camera girl, you want to say bye?
Bye bye.
Yes, until we see you again on this camera, it's gonna be ciao.